I got it. I'm getting it. I'm coding. I'm coding. Am I coding? I'm coding. And I'm coding seriously. I am coding seriously. Yes, I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Yes, yes, yes. I got it. I got this. I got this. Yeah, I got this. So hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, The Vix, and today I'm gonna be showing you a C++ program, or I'll be teaching you a C++ program that displays what? Wait, that displays the summation of the digits of a two-digit number. Yes, two-digit number. Well, if you take 53, it's a two-digit number, right? So if you enter 53 into the console, it's gonna add up both 5 and 3, and eventually we will be getting 8. Yeah, that's the strategy, and we can now work on that. So let's code. Since I've opened the text editor, you can even open NID. I'm always with text editors. So include IOStream. And I forgot. If you didn't watch this video, yeah, right up there, you see, that on that video I've covered every precautionary measures on coronavirus in order to protect yourself from getting infected. So if you didn't watch that video, please watch that video first and then come to this video, because you are most important thing for me. So yeah, I've done this video I've done this video personally for you guys. So yeah, let's start code now. So include IOStream using namespace what namespace SPC space. Oh, I'm so bad in spelling. I never thought. Oh, I forgot. Even I forgot to choose this highlighting mode. So this is the basically highlighting mode in which you can highlight many programming languages. Even you can highlight COBOL, there's F Sharp, then many more. So yeah, I'm choosing C++ now. So C++. See, the text have been highlighted. So you can do with that. And yeah, int main. Oh no, sorry. So we'll be using integers out here, and we'll be using 4 variables in this program, which is n for getting input from the user. Yes, and this is the quotient, in which we'll be dividing the number by 10, and we'll be using that quotient to get the first number, or the 10th place number. You'll be getting that how we will be doing. So I will be initializing it with 0, and this is for the remainder, and this variable is for sum, and this is also initialized with 0. So now I'll be displaying this one as enter the number, and yeah, that's it. And now input part, which is, as I've told you, it will, and the variable n will be used for getting input from the user. So this is n, and that's it. So again, the processing part, and this processing part we will be using the if statement. Yes, if statement, in which it is written in this way. Sorry, not again. And if n is greater than 0, then it will be this loop will continue to work, and it will work in this way. I'll be programming it in this way. So if the number is greater than 0, then divide the number with 10 and get the quotient. Okay, as I've told you, this q will be used for getting the quotient, right? And yeah. So ended the statement, and this r will be used for getting the remainder for the number. So 53, and this is also be divided by 10. So if we take 53, first it will divide the 53 and get the 5 here and store the 5 out here in this variable, and done a mistake out here. So and this r will be helping to get the remainder. If it divides, if we put modulus, it will be it will be evolving for getting the remainder, which is 3. If we give the number 3, it will be dividing by 10 and storing the that remainder 3 out in this r variable. And eventually we got these two numbers, and now we need to just do the sum, which is q plus r, and this is basically it. End of the statement, and I'm done. I think I didn't done everything. And this I done a mistake over here. I should be looking for some mistakes. So yeah, so the output part now. So the summation is, so we will be writing in this way, sum, because the sum of these two, which is q and r. For example, if we put 5 and 3, 53, it will be the 5 will be stored in this variable, and also the 3 will be stored in this variable r. So 5 plus 3 we get 8, and 8 will be stored in this variable. So since this variable carries this value 8, it will be displaying this sum as 8 in the display as, and it will be displaying as the summation is 8. Let's see. Return 0, which and the last statement, which is return. Oh, what I'm doing today! I'm making so much mistakes today. Turn 0. Yeah, this tells that this is end of the statement. And also I'll be making another video on return and all these statements, what they mean, because even now you didn't get how they work. So I'll be making another video for that. Yeah, and also I'll be explaining all these. Don't forget, okay? I'll be making another video for that. Yes. I know my mom was calling me, so that so because of that I was just pausing this video. Don't take it seriously. Don't take it seriously. Don't take it seriously. What? What? Okay. Don't take it seriously. Okay. So we've done here, and now we can save the file. To save the file, go to File, and then Save As. And the dialog box will be appearing as Save As. Now you can whatever name you can type. I'll be naming it as v.cpp, and also don't forget to save the file with the extension .cpp, because it's a C++ program. So yeah, you should be saving it as c.cpp. And don't forget to choose the location out here. I always choose my location and the desktop. So yeah, click Alt Save, and you can I prefer not to tweak these anymore, and just leave it as it is. And yeah, you can tweak within this one, which is used for creating another folder for this file, the .cpp, or you can create new file so that you could use it for your programming, saving your programs, whatever. So let's save this program. Save, and your program is saved. Now the second part, what is that? So all of you know that the second part is the compilation part, in which it involves checking the program it is correct or not, is it error free, and also executing the program. So I'll be switching to desktop because my file has been saved on the desktop, and if you want to do that you can type cd desktop. But if you do want to if you want to do in a shortcut way, or just right click wherever you are, or wherever you have saved your file, and open in terminal. See, it's that simple. So it will be opening the the desired location you are in. And yeah, type this code now, g++ o, and I'll be renaming it as v.cpp. Oh, sorry, really sorry for this. So what basically it does, that it creates a file named v for this original file called v.cpp. So what's this original file? We all know that this is the file created out here. So this is called the, actually this file it is called as the source code, and this is called the object code, which is executable in terminals. So it creates another file. You just take it in that way. So that's the basic understanding of this code, and you can proceed to press the enter key. Yes. So yeah, now it's checking the program, and there are no errors. So the file v has been created, and you can rename it even here if you want. So I can run it now. To run this program, type this ./NB. It's that simple. So I told you I'll be typing 53, and the summation is 8. I think I forgot to do something. I want a little bit space here. This statement wants some air. I should give him some air. So what I can do, I can type ENDL to give him some space, or you can say air to breathe in, man. So type the same code as g++, whatever you've given, and then press enter again to give him some air. So yeah, v, and enter the number. I'm be entering it 53, and he got some air, man. So that's the program for today. And yeah, this is the program for today, and I hope that this video made sense to you, and thank you guys for watching this video. And don't forget to like this video. If you did like this video, please like that video, and also don't forget to share this video. And also, if you're new to this channel, subscribe to my channel, and also click that bell icon. Where it is? Yeah, click that bell icon beside it, so that you get notification every time when I upload a new video, because I'm gonna bring these type of programming videos and also gaming videos one day. Or I've even uploaded some gaming videos. Watch them and even some more tech videos for you guys, so that you could learn what computer science is. I hope you enjoyed this video again. See you again, friends. Bye. See you again. Can I pause this? Oh man. What happened? Oh, bye.